On average, a non-express train picks up 8 people per station, while an express train picks up 14. Additionally, the entire running costs for an express train are £4.96 per minute of travel, which is a 20% reduction on the cost per minute for a standard train. Considering this, what is the decrease in profit on the longest journey from Alderley Edge compared to the shortest? Assume all tickets are singles. First, we need to figure out which are the longest and shortest journeys. We can do that by taking the time here in Manchester away from the time of departure in Alderley Edge for each of these journeys. And we find that this one here is the shortest and this one is the longest. Let's work out the money that's made from tickets on both journeys. So let's look at the shortest one first. And we have that this shortest one, which is an express train, since it has an asterisk here, picks up 14 people per stop. So we have 14 lots of the price of a single at each stop. We're told that all tickets are singles. So at Alderley Edge, the price of a single is £6.30, and we're going to have 14 people that pay that. So that's £6.30. We can then add on the price at Handforth, £5.45. And then the same thing at Stockport, which is £3.70. That gives us a total in ticket sales of £216.30. For the longest journey, this is similar, except in this case we have 8 people per station, but there's more stations. There's stations for all of these. So we just need to add on the multiplied by the price of a single for each station, since 8 people are picked up at every single one. And that's a total in ticket sales of £246.80. Next, let's figure out the costs of running both journeys. We're told that the £4.96 per minute of travel is a 20% reduction on the cost per minute for a standard train. So, whatever the cost per minute was initially, we've reduced that by 20%, which means that it's 80% of the original value, which is equivalent to 0.8. So, if £4.96 is 80% of the original value, to get back to it, we need to divide by the multiplier, 0.8, which gives us £6.20, the original value for a standard train. So this is the standard price, and this is the express price. Let's figure out the running cost of each journey. For the shortest journey, we need to find the time that it takes, which is the difference between these two, which is 22 minutes, and we're told it's an express train, and this is the cost per minute, £4.96. So the total cost of the journey is £109.12. For the longest route, it has 33 minutes in duration from 7:10 to 7:43, and the cost per minute is £6.20. Gives us a total of £204.60. We want to know the decrease in profit on the longest journey compared to the shortest journey. So first, let's calculate the difference between the shortest journey's profit. So the shortest journey takes in £216.30 in rail fares and has to pay costs of £109.12. And then we'll take away the difference for the longest journey. It takes in £246.80 and has costs of £204.60, which gives us a difference of £64.98.